Hello everyone. Today what we're looking at is customer of mine installed these LED replacement can lights, and he was having the problem, if you can see it up here, that none of them, I think he's put in, this is like the 8th or 9th one they put in. I've fixed the other ones so far, but they just don't fit up there right. And he asked me, along with a bunch of other stuff that I've been working on here, to get these so they sit up there right the way they're supposed to. So I'm going to show you how to make a couple of quick, simple adjustments so these fit up there where they're supposed to. Alright, so here's the problem. These right here are way too far in, so they don't grab the tabs up on the can light. I'll show those to you in a minute. They don't grab it correctly, and these will actually pop out of the where these wires clip into, and that's what causes it not to fit right. So all you got to do is loosen up these screws here. These are adjustable for different size cans. Move that out just a little bit. Do the same thing on this side. And that's it. Decent light up in here without lights on. Right here, you can see that those tabs sit too far in. There's two of them, one on each side. And see, like here, he's actually got them bent weird there. But what you do is you take a screwdriver and get underneath it and bend it out just a little bit. Just like that. Bend this back down. Bend this out a little bit more. There. Now I just gotta put the wire back on and I can install it. Alright, here is the installed product. Sorry I couldn't hold the camera and put the light in at the same time. I don't have enough hands for that, but there is it finished installed. If you have any questions, please leave a comment below. Thanks for watching, and please like and subscribe. Have a great day.